Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to create eBay discount offers. So we cannot do it directly from the application. Instead we need to use browser. So open your browser and in the search field type this, eBay Seller Hub, and open the official website. And then here you need to log into your account. I have already done that. And here on the home page you see some categories, and those are overview, orders, listings, and more. And what we need is more section, and here enter marketing section. This section allows you to view, access your promotion tools. So here you see the blue button, create discount. Tap on it, and here you can see different options. So those options include coupon, order discount, sale event, shipping discount, and volume pricing. For example, if you want to offer deals like buy 2 get 10% off, stuff like that, you need to select order discount. But it depends on your strategy, which discount you want to create. Then, for example, I will select order discount, but as you can see, eBay reminds me that I don't have a store and I cannot sell. But anyway, I will guide you through the process, and if you listen to my instructions, I am convinced that you can create discount offer. So when you decided which discount you want to offer, select the listings you want to include in this discount offer. You can handpick specific products or apply the deal across a whole category. And then, of course, set the discount amount, either a percentage off or a fixed amount. Again, as I said earlier, depending on what fits your strategy best. Write a catchy name for the offer that buyers will see. For example, summer sale or stuff like that. Also pick your start and end dates for the promotion. You can run your discount for a weekend or set it up for a longer term deal depending on your goals again. And in the very end, review everything carefully, then tap launch to make your discount offer live. And once it's live, you will be able to track its performance under the marketing section that we have opened and adjust if needed. And that's exactly how you can create discount offers on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.